So, we didn't want to be jerks, so we came down and we helped dude dig out his car. Now, he's just waiting for all the foot traffic, which has to go in the middle of the street.
Because there's no sidewalk.
Because there's no sidewalk whatsoever. Check it out. Let's see. Let's see if I can get a shot here. Snow comes up to a little higher than my knees. Here's Diane's car. There's Nick's car. Let's see, my car. There's a vast expanse of frozen wasteland to get to my car. So we're just going to sit and look at it from here.
Kyle's car is that behind there?
Yeah. I don't know if that's a pile of snow or another car behind their car. Probably a pile of snow. At any rate, that's the resolution. Part 2. Yay.
So they can see.
The snow. Snowy desolation. Oh, I'll give you a better view of the snow that we dug dude out of. There it is. I don't know if you could see it any better than any other pile of snow, but it's fucking huge.
Show
The end.
So they can see how
The flag. Oh, it's snowing sideways.
Yeah.
Okay, we're done.